So go to Google and search for SQL Server download and click on the link. After that, you have to download Express, as we need this. Double click on download folder and here from install, and after that we need here basic. Accept the policies and click accept and next install. Wait for 2-3 seconds and you will see. Now click on the install SSMS. Now click on it and let's go to download SSMS. After this we have to search in our Microsoft that SQL Server Management Studio and click on it. Yeah, it's open. Now connect. Now you can see our SSMS is installed.